Day 34 of Lake Reviews.
Hi guys.
This is a series where we go to a lake every day and then rate and review them. Today we are at Hasakarahandi Lake. Yes. You're so confused.
Because why this still does not give a lake vibe?
Yeah, I mean the lake is there. It's all dried up. We are right now standing where the lake is supposed to be.
Yeah.
Lots of greenery here, like all around us is just greenery.
Even the lake is green.
Even the lake is like performative matcha lake. There's lots of birds and whatnot there. I don't think you can see that in camera, but it looks pretty. All those birds look pretty, and there's a lot of water there.
There's some water there.
Yeah.
Wait, can we get close?
Cool view though.
It is scenic as well, yeah.
Yeah, if it was raining or something, it would have been cooler. There's your capitalism bullshit, and then there's a hill there which is cool, and then yeah.
Nothing much to be
If you're a
honest.
farmer, this is a great place for you.
Bro, I
Your
thought the
bhed-
guy
your
saw the
bhed would just come here.
guy. You saw the guy. I thought he was like doing the deed over here or something.
What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
What do you think a khet is supposed to be used for, bhai?
Kheti
No.
khudai.
Never been to Bihar enough.
You would know, bhai.
Yeah, I would
Professional
know.
Bihari.
I would know.
How much are we rating this lake?
Hey, is this a lake? Even the gate was underwhelming.
Oh
bhai.
my god, it's like the most shadiest.
Bhai.
We had to do shit to get our scooter
What
parked.
do we
and
rate
then-
this? I would rate this a 2. If I'm generous, a 3.
Nah, I have been to 2s and 3s and they were good.
Is it?
Yeah. It's like a 1, no?
Yeah, probably.
1 for the scenery.
Yeah. 1 for the birds, to be honest.
Yeah, the
Right?
birds look cool. I don't think the camera can see those birds.
Zoom hoga kya? Try to zoom in.
Zoom nahi, the angles.
Yeah, I guess you can see one flying maybe. I don't know. Yeah, that is sad.
Yeah, it's okay. We enjoyed it. If you want to see the birds, come here, and that's the only reason.
Yeah,
That's
nothing
why-
else. There's
that's
no
why-
other reason to come here, to be honest.
Yeah, that's why it gets a 1.
Yeah.
1 out of 10.
Probably a 0.5 out of 10.
1 is fine.
Okay, 1 is fine, yeah.
Okay,
Cool,
boys. Is there anything you want to say to the camera, people?
Not really.
No message.
No. The only message is don't come to this lake, if that's a message.
Not something related to the lake. Anything that you want to say.
Anything. No, bhai, nothing. Oh, MTR is shit expensive, by the way. I don't like MTR anymore.
But the dosa was good.
It was alright. It was alright. Taza Thindi solos.
Taza Thindi better. On
Yeah.
God.
100%. हम लोग ताज़ा ठंडी प्रोपेगेंडा क्यों कर रहे हैं भाई?
भाई पता है मैंने स्टार्ट किया ये.
क्या
Hey,
the
touch me not.
propaganda? Oh,
Wait. Yeah,
Awesome.
go ahead.
wait. Can you
Go
see?
ahead, child. Yes.
I didn't even notice these.
Well.
Nice. And that is another half a point.
Okay. 1 out of 10.
Yeah, now it gets a 1 out of 10. Even these look cool.
Yeah, this looks pretty. Yeah.
Is this like a jungly thing? If I touch it, I'll get like allergies or something?
Yeah, definitely.
For you.
Oh,
It won't work like that. Chill.
real. Chalo, okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.